Hi guys, welcome back to Auguilicious. Wow, oh my god. I was thinking this was just a stunt when I saw that Dash of Fate's channel was taken down, and I gave my opinion. It has to do with algorithm. You could check my video out, and it will also come up at the end of this video. I saw him talk about the experience he went through, and he just starting off. He doesn't really know much about being a YouTuber and that he needed to create a playlist. So because of that, people started haters came after him. And the best thing he thought to himself was to close the channel. And he also reiterated, he said that if his channel was taken down, he wouldn't be up here. You could go check him out. I'm really, really happy for you, Dash of Faith. If you can see this video, I'm not trying to make this video off you, but I'm just trying to make this video to celebrate you, to thank you for holding up and coming back. And I wonder why people would just not want to be happy for someone else. Why the hate? I mean, he's doing well, he's getting his watch hours, and you want to come after him. Dash of faith, be encouraged, don't give up, keep pushing. And I myself am here to support you. I've just supported you, and let's keep the support going. We don't need to hate on anyone because we are all here to become better. Dash of faith, thank you for holding on and coming back to show your face again because I've heard so many comments about you and the reason why your channel was taken down. It could be hackers, it could be scammers, so many things. And I give my opinion. Really, really happy that you're back. If you can see this video is to appreciate you. Thank you for holding on and coming back and keep pushing out video. Don't be discouraged. You could push out more than two, three, four videos a day. It doesn't matter. Just keep pushing on, and we are here. I'm here to support you, and I know there are so many other people that are also here to support you. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment under the comment section. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.